Welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Bishop's DIY Auto Repair. We're going to be doing the power steering pump, the reservoir, and the line going from the reservoir to the power steering pump. Go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, go ahead and make sure you subscribe down below and also hit that like button because it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and jump into this. Alright, so to get started, you're going to want to remove your high pressure line. It's going to be two 10mm bolts. It'll just pop right on out of there. You'll want to have a paper towel to catch any residual oil. Okay, and next you're going to want to undo these two bolts. It looks like there's only one bolt on the top, so just go ahead and remove that one. Again, might want to have a paper towel over it. Okay, we're going to grab our needle and the pliers, grab that clamp. We'll wiggle back. Yeah, don't forget gloves. Now we're going to go and grab our reservoir here. Go ahead and give it a twist. Go ahead and twist it. This hose and this are being replaced, so I'll just go ahead and get rid of that. Then you're going to want to grab two wrenches. You're going to want to grab a 15mm and then whatever size for the next one. We're going to want to let the tension loose on the belt. Okay, go ahead and loop your wrench around there, just like so. And pull, and go ahead and relieve the tension. So you're going to have two bolts. You're going to have one here, and one down over here. You're going to need a 12mm deep socket. Go ahead and break it loose. Alrighty guys, here's all our new parts. We have a new pulley, we have the new pump, we have the retaining clips for the new hose, and the power steering reservoir. So let's go ahead and attach this. We'll need to grab the bolt off the old power steering pump. I had to put it in a vise in order to break it free. Then its side goes on the power steering pump. Then we'll go and tighten that up. Okay, now we got that done. Let's go ahead and put this in. Okay, we're gonna go and set this down in here. It did come with plugs, so keep those on until you install it. I'll put the two bolts in. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and tighten those up. Okay, then we can go and set our reservoir down in here. Slide it on there. Okay, and then you also want to get your serpentine belt back on. Grab your two wrenches. Might be helpful if you have someone else with you. I've done this enough that I don't really need anybody else. Okay, now we're gonna get our new hose. We're gonna go ahead and feed it in here, route it in. You can go and take out the plastic cover of your new power steering pump. And don't forget about your clip. Put that on. Okay, now go and feed it in there. Now wiggle it on. And I'm gonna finish getting this hose, wiggling this hose on, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty guys, there is the new power steering pump. We got the new line hooked in here, coming down to the reservoir. I haven't put this line in yet because I'll be replacing this one in a separate video, and I'll show you that. Alright guys, so there's the power steering pump. I hope that helped you out. It's not too difficult. The hose was a little bit hard to get on, but that's alright. Other than that, hope this helped you guys out. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next repair.